Messi Champions League shirt. Damage anything, but you gotta go nice and light. Nice and light. And you can see it's already coming out. This stain has been on here since I moved. I couldn't even tell you. First things first, what are we using? Here's what we're using. It's Grandma's Secret Spot Remover Laundry Spray. You're supposed to put it in the laundry. This as well, you want the full effect. It comes in a pack, the link below. Click the link below in the description or in this video. I will link it. Please, Amazon, 2-day Prime. This is the juice. They come together in a pack. This is what you need. Today I'm removing stains. So I have this Messi jersey. Look at this. Look at these stains. These have been on here. I can't get them out. I've washed it 100 times and I can't get them out until today. And this is a team issue Messi Champions League shirt, all the patches. See the sides right there. All right, we're gonna get these things out. Let's go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we'll use this brush right here. I'm gonna treat it, spray it. Get some of the gel on it a little bit. Doesn't damage the, as long as you have this tool right here, it's not gonna damage anything, but you gotta go nice and light. Nice and light. And you can see it's already coming out. This stain has been on here since I moved. I couldn't even tell you, since I moved from Jersey, I think. Look at that. Right out. This one's already out. So be gentle. I don't know what you're working with here. Be gentle. Use a paper towel, it's a little wet, just to blot it a little, and go back in. Turn it. Nice and soft, nice and soft. Don't want to rough up the fabric like we all do sometimes. This is just quick motion, I'm not pressing that hard. And as you can see, it's almost gone. Now, I suggest, and we're not gonna do this, we're just gonna let it dry, but I suggest after this, you just throw it in the wash. Collar's pretty much clean. Just a little discoloration here. Like I said, you just put this in the wash. That looks good to me. Take a look at these here. Again, spray, spray, spray. Nice and soft. Remember, nice and soft because you don't want to damage the fabrics. That came out pretty easy. Use that. This was a lot easier. These other ones were caked on. This one's still here. So this. There you go. Completely out. Oh, there's one more right here. See that one? Yeah, a little treatment. Nice and easy. Remember, that's the key. Nice and easy. Not too rough. Quick. Blot. Pretty much out. And try to switch directions too. So you go this way and you go this way. That's it, completely gone. Completely clean. Like new. This is probably a 10-year-old item. Brand new, not damaged. If you want, you put it in a laundry bag. Inside out. So what the next step would be is to put this in a laundry bag inside out and then line dry it. And that's it. This is the product. You're good to go. This is the answer. Link in bio. Click the link in bio for this. Get this today. All your stains. I believe it comes with this brush. I'll put the whole pack in the comment. Thank you.